Okay, this is exponential probability distribution. In this problem, I'm going to show you how to use Excel to calculate that. First of all, we have the average time a fully charged 6-volt laptop battery will operate is 3.2 hours. We do have to get the mean. We do have to get lambda, like we've been getting lambda, which is 1 over the mean. So lambda is 1 over the mean. So we're going to do 1 divided by 3.2. So when we do that, we get 0.3125. So you still have to get lambda before you go into Excel. And then you're going to use exponential.dist. And first it wants to know x. So let's use the first one. The probability that that the next charge will last less than 2.1 hours. So 2.1, lambda is 0.3125, and we want cumulative, so we want true. And so our probability is 0.4812. The next one between 2.6 and 4.4 hours. So let's do 2.6. So that would be the probability of the small. And then let's do 2.6 and 4.4. So equals exponential.dist. And we're going to, x is going to be 4.4. Lambda is what we calculated earlier, 0.3125. And we want it to be cumulative. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the probability of the larger minus the probability of the smaller to get the probability of it being in between, and you will get 0.1909. For more than 4.5 hours, you could go into one of these formulas and put in for more than 4.5. This is going to give me less than or equal to 4.5. So I will use the complement rule and subtract the less than side from 1 to get the greater than side. So that would be 0.2451.